Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. This video is about how to color my collected dried grasses, flowers, leaves, and foliage. I had a video posted showing you how to dry them, and as you see now, my dried collected grasses, flowers, foliage, and leaves are ready. You can use them as they are, but for me, I preferred to put some colors on some of them. And I have my very own easy way. There's a lot of ways on how to color the dried grasses and dried foliage or leaves. But as for me, I have my very easy way. And it's using a very common color or paint, the spray paint. So before I before I color them, I separate each one, arrange them as you see. Actually, there is no really like. For me, I just do them as I like. So I do it like this. I have my spray paint. I have this yellow. I really love to use yellow because they really accentuate the other colors. It's very easy, guys. Really very easy to use this spray paint. So I have also my purple. You can do it like one color at the same time. Please watch the video until the end because I'm going to feature also how to spray paint it in just one color, the easier way. So also I'm using red, whatever colors I have available in the house. Doesn't matter, because when you form them into a bouquet, as for me, I love a collection of colors, especially springtime is coming. So I think this would be perfect. The colors would be perfect. Also, when you want something different, you can use acrylic. So I have these small flowers of a grass. I don't know what's the name, but not yet. I don't know yet. But I've seen them, and I took some and dried them. And I really like how it looks. I really like the form. So I colored them first with yellow and then with orange. Yeah. So at first, I colored them with yellow. It has a natural color of green, but also to make it look different, I put yellow and then top it with orange. So this painted dried flowers, I use them in in one of my video that is coming, the Fairy Garden series number 2. So please stay tuned, and soon it will be posted after this video. So you will see how I use them, and it's such a very very good material for enhancing your project. I really love it. Really, really love to use this one. I also use sky blue to color some of the grasses. And then I have these leaves of a very famous tree, the eucalyptus tree. So these are the dried leaves of eucalyptus, and it's a very good material to dry and to put together with your bouquet. It's strong and they don't fall apart. So I'm coloring with sky blue. Some of it I color them also with different colors. Sometimes I mix colors so to give life. Sometimes you need to be more artistic or more, like when using green color, sometimes it's good to combine a little bit of yellow, so to make the color alive. Sometimes it looks dull when there are colors that just really doesn't look alive. So sometimes you have to find colors that when you mix with it, it brings out the light of the color or the beauty of the color. It depends on your taste, guys. But me, I'm a very colorful person, so I love combination of colors like this. Some of them I colored them purple, some of them I colored them pink, some of them I mixed with red and yellow and green. So you see the result. They're really, really beautiful. And wait until I'm gonna form them into a very nice bouquet and combine them and mix them with other materials. You won't believe how it would look like. So please stay tuned to my channel, and on my next video you're gonna see more on how to use all these dried and painted collected leaves, flowers, foliage, and grasses. Another batch to be painted. This time we're gonna use one color. No, actually not really one color, but I mean to say we're gonna use, like for example, we use yellow now. I'm not gonna mix it with like one batch. We will paint it yellow. I'm really having fun, guys, on painting my collected leaves, grasses, foliage, and flowers. I have a lot more, but you will see them all on when I'm gonna form my bouquet on my next video that will feature how to use them. Looking forward for that very, very soon. So it's really very easy. Now we're gonna use light green to mix with yellow. Just a little bit, not so much, light. Just to give a little bit of contrast. to make it look different and alive. And also my favorite ones. So I just painted them slightly with white. And also I use white as base, and then I mix it with other colors. So beautiful. Now they're ready. Some of them I did not paint, just to leave their natural colors. Like this one. That one on the top I did not paint it. So that's the natural color of the eucalyptus. And then I colored some red, and then I colored some blue. So yeah, it's a very, very nice mixture. Don't miss my next video, because I'm gonna show you how it will look like when you form them and mix them together. Also in the past, I have already my video featuring dried flowers and foliage, making it into a very nice bouquet. I gave it to my friends who celebrated their birthday. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.